Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to create your Binance account for buying and selling your currencies. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. So actually, to create accounts in the Binance platform, it is free. That means the registration is free. All you need to do is simply click on what? Register. Once you click on register, it is going to ask you to insert your email address, or you should create your mobile phone. So what I will simply do is that I will simply create with my email address. So I will simply insert my email address. So after which I will simply going to insert my password. That is, I'll create my password. So I'll simply paste my password. So after which I'm going to click on create. So I will simply to verify my account for security, I will simply carry this icon to here to fit it in here. Yep. So I'm done. Okay, verified. So I will simply check on my email address. They are going to send me a verification code for me to insert it. That is to verify my account. So once you receive the code from your email address, you need to insert it here. So successful. So this is it. Welcome to Binance. Deposit to cryptocurrency to start trading. Buy cryptocurrency with your crazy card. Buy cryptocurrency with your Binance P2P. So all that, I will simply go to the dashboard. So this is your Binance dashboard.